Summer is officially on at Tremblant. We have a whole season filled with events, activities, and entertainment awaiting for you. So this week we're in the panoramic gondola and we're going up to the summit. So for the weekend of May 24, we have several activities for you, rain or shine. So there is always something to do at Tremblant, from the top of the mountain to the lake and through the pedestrian village, whatever Mother Nature brings us. This week was also the start of our brand new road and trail running club, La Foulée du Nord. So we invite everybody to come and take part in our outing on the mountain and on the road. It's totally free. You can see the schedule on their social media. As for our events, our calendar is packed for the summer. We have something almost every weekend starting June 1st. You can go and check out the calendar on our website. So have a great weekend!